Happy day 60, day trading the market open with a small account until we have enough confidence to fund with more cheddar. Morning, everybody. Didn't trade yesterday. I was going to try to trade pre-market, but did not have the time to do it. And it doesn't look like anything's going in our price range right now. We have NAOV at about 420. Z-car is the most highest percentage, but it's kind of expensive. Let's see. Maybe we try to go Z-car with halt down 941. Oh, halt down's like well above VWAP. Interesting. Not well above, maybe like right here. Anything else moving? ULY. Let's halt down here on NAOV 328. That looks gross. Okay. Z-car dangerously close to a halt down there. 955. Oh, halt down moved down to 931. What's gonna be the way today? Let's change our scans here. Wow. False halt up from 963 to 1138. Very nice. Z-car trying to halt up. The bids are growing. And it's about to lock. Locked in. Wow. Wow. What a move. It's a 20% move in 2 candles. So we're going to see what happens with this. Obviously, when that opens up. And it looks like we're going to have to try to trade this. But how much can I even trade it with? That's the question. Not very much. Hesitance around this area because the halt down was 940, which is like right here. It was at 941. It was just barely under that candle. So what's going to be the action today? NAOV, this thing looks so gross. Topped out at 650. Went from 525 to 650 basically right away. General market. Hey, QQQs are up 1.5%. Hey, yo. Today is May 1st. May 1st. First day of May, and tech stocks are opening up the month with a boom. Okay, so zoom out here, get a better visual of what's going on. 1240, so this thing could, looks like we might have to start the month with a dip and rip. One of the more riskier strategies that I have, but also the most profitable. Kind of goes hand in hand there. So 32. I got about 3 minutes until this stock opens back up. Hoping the spreads aren't super thick on it, but you know, when you got to get in something fast, that's kind of the risk you got to take. All right, NAOV trying to show some life. It's still like gross backside though. Let's focus on the good stuff here. I do have to be mindful of the spreads though still, because you know, if I take 150 shares and the spreads are like $1, I'm not saying the spreads are going to be $1, but you know, I just don't want to get caught and have a big L basically just on spreads. That would be terrible. That would not be a great way to start the month. And AOV. About 17 seconds left here. Z-car, what are we going to do here? Showing a resumption around 12. Uh-oh. Alright, even there. Got in. Just as quick as I got in, I got out. $12 L. What was my fill? Oh, yikes. $10.99. That could have been bad. But this is what we were looking for. No. No. But, you know, I can't necessarily be mad at that. I took a shot at it. I took a stab at it. This is exactly what I wanted to happen. But when you only have one trade, I saw it dip. I saw the green on the tape. I hit it. And then I saw immediate red on the tape right after. And I was like, nope, that ain't it. That ain't it. It's supposed to immediately resolve. I jumped out. So that's unfortunately kind of how that cookie crumbles there. What do we have left to work with now? So, you know, right move, wrong time. Kind of one of those scenarios. $10.99. So I got it. Oh man, I got in like right. I got in like right here. Right here is where I got in. Got a little too A little too aggressive on the tape reading there. That's 24%, but hey, coulda, shoulda, woulda doesn't work in this game. Right approach. Can't be mad at that. Right approach. Right approach, right trade. Wrong time. Just a few milliseconds later, and that would have been the money shot. It would have been a great start to the month. And that's okay. Now, 4% back to 200-day moving average. It's not gonna work. All right, so in order for me to take another trade here, I need NAOV to do something kind of dramatic. I don't have enough money to trade Z-Car again. Again, though, I'm happy with that trade. Like, if this was like a full day trading account over 25,000 over, you know, marginable and all that fun stuff, I mean, could have risked a little bit more. Could have taken the 1 minute to make a new high on the ad, and probably would have exited the whole position up here. So again, I'm happy with it. That's, you know, we're here trying to build up the confidence and build the fundamentals, and that's a trade you got to take in order to do that. But now, if NAOV doesn't do anything, then we're kind of at a stalemate. Z-Card now up 234%. Interesting little dead cat bounce this thing's doing, because it has done nothing for quite some time. I'm also gonna rewatch this YouTube video, because when I hit that buy key, I want to know exactly where I got filled relative to what we were seeing on the bid and the ask. I might have gotten a high fill, I might have gotten a decent fill, you know, but I want to see if I could be faster, kind of recognizing when I should have hit that buy button. Come on down, NAOV, give me a shot. New minute in 3 seconds. 2, 1. Interesting, like 3-cent spread here, 4-cent spread on NAOV. Just not really going to be ideal again. But you know what? That's all. That's gonna be it for me today. This is backside. I'm not gonna waste my money on this. I used almost all my buying power on this one, trying to take a shot at that. But that's it. Spread love. Be good to each other. I'm out of here. Drop a comment. Drop a like. Let me know how y'all did. Spread love. Be good to each other. I'm out of here. Peace.